New fucking live stream. Let's share the stream. Let's fucking share the stream at first. Mhm, 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 mhm. Yes, yes. I think we would miss the setup. Good time to buy. Good fucking time to buy it. All right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yo, bro, what? Why are you running like that? It's just the begin. What the fuck? It's just the beginning, bro. What? Oh, Rock, welcome to the stream. New York City? What do you mean? Oh, it's a New York time. Yes, obviously. It's a New York time. Crazy run, isn't it? It's just the opening candle, bro. It was a good buy, but let's see if we can later. Quite bad. I didn't even got time to share the stream. Holy fuck. This is crazy. Structure ship right there, right? It's a continuation setup of the London. Where did Kilson go? I removed the indicator by mistakes. All right. Let me share the stream real quick till it retest. Just a minute. I'm not reading the comments for a minute. Let me just share it. Mhm. Right, all right. Just share the stream. Let's check the strength of the currencies as well. Why New York time got changed? It happens every year. It would again change on the next, I mean, yeah, next November. It's a DST, daylight saving time changes. They change their time based on the sunrises, you know, there. But that does not happen in India. That's why we have to shift with the time of their time. Mar Market still opens at the same time according to the New York time. So we have to adjust with the time of their time. Yeah. So I was about to like check. Uh, we swept the previous day. This could be a rejection, but we still have lows to left there. Lows are left there. This is easy run because this is an liquidity point as well. This FVG, right? Mm-hmm. Possibly we can take out these highs as well for today. Yeah, we have taken out the low, taken out the high, retraced on this order block, and going for another run on this. Yeah, so euro is strong today. Does the 8:30 and 9:30 window will affect? What do you mean by effect? Like the volume? The markets are time precise because obviously even institutional traders, they get into the job at a specific time, so times are important. Okay, euro is much stronger than GBP because we would have taking that high, we have to take out these highs. So that's why euro would be a little stronger than GBP today. So any buy would be better on euro dollar than the GBP dollar. Hope that makes sense, right? So we have that buy side liquidity to run on, and already made that twist the low of the week there. It did not on euro dollar, but that's okay. I don't think it would retrace into and discount at this point. Hmm. Possibly it would not retrace to the discount anymore. Well, let's see. Where did that kill zone go, bro? Let's mark this FVG. This is an important CB. All right, so we are actually about to fill these gaps, but the concern is we have already mitigated that fair value gap, but I still want it to run to these lows and fill this gap. And that's a weekly target, but still like we're about to continue most likely. Retest on this continuation. Yeah. This gap is important. Let's remove this to make it cleaner. Right. We may retest one more time, take out this twist low on tomorrow. Yeah, possibly tomorrow. We would take out the low one more time, tap on it on the CPI, would run on this. That could be the most likely the thing. The run was quite quick. Let me measure it. The kill zone and the market will open early because of their time. Yes, that's true. Because of their time, the market would open early. Hmm. All right. What's the total run of today's range? 50 pips. It would retrace though. It would. Now let's watch this. Wow, that will be so good. Fast setup before dinner and free time. Let's go. Thanks for making my doubts clear. Love you, bro. Thank you. That is the reason I'm streaming. If things get clear for people and they don't have any confusion about trading. Anyway, we are about to get the setup most likely, but I would like to check the dollar index as well. It did not tap on this ABG. That's my concern. If it did, we can continue in the buy side. It did not, but we did sweep the liquidity. So mhm, 2 hours, 1 hour, 30, 15. It's quite possible to fill this gap. This is a liquidity void. Let's reverse the analysis. We would likely to fill this gap. Retest on it, right? Mhm. But then we do have a structure sheet, but the narrative is it has to sweep any 5 minute high, and this is the 5 minute high. I think we should wait for it. All right, this is the setup, right? We have to take out this high at least. Even better if we take out this London high. Then a structure shift. Let me just draw it. It would be better to draw it. Right? Retracement and then sell. All right. Let's just wait. It can be a quick scalp in the buy side, but that's not what I want. Let's catch the big run. Right. Popping into this channel for the first time, gonna be watching attentively. Thank you. Welcome to the stream, by the way. All right, so yeah, let's just fucking wait for it. The previous day setup was failed. Like we did not take a trade, but obviously I wanted it to take out this and do a structure shape. That did not happen. And as I expected that it would fill this gap completely, and that's what it happened. That's why anticipating is better than participating the price. Right. We are running on this high equal highs as well. Euro is getting stronger, but yeah, Euro must be stronger usually today. But are you taking trade live? Obviously, then what's the point of doing live stream? Let's watch GBP 5 minute. Yo, don't forget to hit the like button as well. We are sell side, okay? I think this can be a valid setup. Turtle body soup. This is M1 candle, high and low, right? Next candle sweep, closer below it, retracement inside. let's check if it falls into our correct risk management or not. Like no, like 16 pips too high. 16 pips is too much. I would not like it to retest here, but the 16 pips is too much, bro. Like it's outside of my risk. Let's just wait. I would have sold here if it was really small candle, like it's too big to be have a tight stop. What the let's fucking hit the like button as well. Can I hit fucking 10 likes? Many of you are watching, just fucking 10 likes, all we need. If everyone hit the like button, I think we can hit it just right now. Please, the overall EURUSD trend is bullish. Can you explain the logic behind your sell entry? All right, sure. Okay, let's start with daily time. Sorry, weekly time frame. Right, weekly is too big. Yeah. On daily time frame, we are bearish on dollar index. Okay, we are bearish. We want it to tap on this um fair value gap and continue in the buy side, right? If we go on 4 hour, which is we already swept the low, right? If you go on 1 hour, same thing. We have swept the low. Now we need to retrace to where this is an external liquidity. Now we need an internal liquidity as well. So we would take out this high, mitigate this CV, then continue in the sell side, which means let me hide it. Yeah, same thing. We have taken out the high. We would retrace, take out this low for inducement, mitigate this FVG or this liquidity void. Then we would continue in the buy side, right? You get it? I hope that makes sense now. Did you guys get it? Okay, 11 people watching. Can you guys please hit the like button? We are so close to fucking 7 likes. Sorry, 10 likes. We just need 3 fucking likes to hit the target. Did you guys get the logic? We have this Asian low resting there to target today. We just want it to take out the high, sweep the structure, then deliver. Yo, bro, you're crazy. Okay, let's do it one more time then. You were saying it's bullish, right? Euro dollar bullish. Yeah, it is. We have taken out the low. We have to fill this liquidity void now, right? But today is Tuesday. We have taken out this high on this FVG on daily time frame. You're seeing it. Daily time frame FVG mitigated. Yep, it makes. But do you have any buy setup up when it dumped to your target FVG? Yes, I would, but that FVG would not get filled today. This FVG would like it would come here, but by that time, the kill zone time would be over. So it would be like dead range. Then by tomorrow, we have a CPI news. You see that? Wednesday, we have a CPI news by 8:30 a.m. New York time. So from on the news, it will run. Boom. On the news, it will run from there. That's the view. Okay, where I was. Yeah. So we did mitigated that FVG and taken out that highs, right? Same thing, taken out the highs on a smaller time frame. If we go 1 hour, this is the Asian range, right? Lows are left Asian range. There is a big liquidity void. We did balance the price, but we still have to retest it one more time before the news, like the CPI, right? Take out the high. We need to take out the lows as well for an inducement. This is an Asian range as well to take it out. We have this FVG to fill it. The same thing. We have to take out this and then go higher. The trend doesn't go like high, 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 high. It goes like high, low, then high, right? So that is the case. This price run, this price run would be a New York Judah swing, making people think it's going to go higher one more time because all the way from the London it's going higher, and from there we would reverse. Well, so far so good. I will be live here with you to take that trade, bro. I I have we get it right for my mental health. That's good for you, but I do not take trades on news. My prop firm would just breach me, prop rules. I cannot take news trades. But one thing can be sure, you can learn from my stream and be more disciplined than anyone else. Because I just don't fucking take any trades, like any random setup. I can skip days without touching the market. Very rarely people do it on live stream. I can bet on that. Right, so let's see if anyone wants to join the stream. I'm on my way home. All right. Let's see if anyone wanna join me. Yes, I do trade live daily, but I do not trade Fridays because mostly on Fridays it's a profit booking days for the market makers. So I avoid that day. It means that Monday to Thursday you can see me live trading. Did we hit the like goal or not? Okay, fucking one like. It's just fucking one like, bro. We're about to hit the target. We just fucking need one like.
Hello, hello.
Hello. I think yeah. Hello, can you
Good
hear me?
morning.
Hel-
Yeah, I could hear you. Good morning, good morning. Could you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I'm trading for like 3+ years. Yeah. So are you like watching charts, Sagnar?
Yeah, I am. I am on the charts, yeah.
The charts looks good today, isn't it?
Yeah.
So would you be interested to trade?
Yeah, I would be. Um, Potentially. I mean, yeah, I am interested. I am.
That's cool.
Um, yeah, yesterday kind of delivered though. Did you know? Did you notice it kind of did exactly what I thought? So I'm actually just continuing that expectation,
Oh,
but we'll have to wait and see.
I'm still bearish. I am using prop firm account. Do you mean if I take trades live here with you, I will get breached? There is a prop firm rules that you cannot trade on during the news. So that's what I mean. Yeah. Okay, there is a opening candle on the GBPUSD. If you see that, I think that's falls into the macro. Would you consider that FVG?
On GU,
Yes.
what time frame? 5 minute?
Yeah, 5.
No, I don't see one. No, I there was one on EU though.
EU.
Um,
Wait. Yeah, EU does have, but I think for sell. Oh yeah, you are bullish. I forgot that.
yeah. I'm bullish, man.
I the market did what I told you the last.
No,
So
it didn't.
it did. It did. Just look at it. You were telling me that why I'm not bearish anymore. Like it did took out that high. Do you remember? Like I was saying, it would fill that liquidity void.
Nah, you didn't say that. I said that.
Oh no! At the time when I saw no interest in the market. It's there on my live frame. If you don't believe me, you can go back and check at the last time.
Bro, I don't need to look at anything. I'm the one that said lower. Me. Summit, bro.
No,
Why are you
like
lying, man?
what? No, 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 no. What I say that you were bullish on euro dollar. Yeah, that's true. And I was bearish. But at the time that the liquidity was swept, you were like encouraging me to take that bearish trade. But I told you that no, cause it did not did that circumstances that I was looking for. So it would most possibly fill that gap. Now you remember it?
Yeah. I remember, are you looking at the price action now or are you not?
Yeah, yeah,
Are you on yesterday's one?
yeah.
Yeah, so at 9:30 on, let's say, are you looking at EU or DXY?
EU.
Okay, so I'm not, what I mean, it's not a big deal. It's not important to me. But what I remember you saying is, um, if you was to go to 9:30 yesterday,
Yeah, 9:30.
that run on the highs, you wanted to short that,
I did not.
but obviously you didn't because I think
Yeah,
it didn't really
yeah. That
it
didn't
didn't
match my
match
narrative.
your expectations. But
Yes, exactly.
obviously shorting that high in hindsight now
Yeah,
isn't what the narrative is or what the bias is. But that's what I remember you saying your goal. I mean, what you think how the week would play out maybe if I that's what I remember.
yeah. I wanted it to manipulate by going lower from Monday to Tuesday and reverse by Wednesday because of CPI. All right, I do not have any WhatsApp or Telegram channel, but I do have a Discord channel. You can join. It's completely free. Link in the description. Check out.
But
Yeah,
I mean, it's Monday anyway, so I mean, it's not like anyone would trade that day. I mean, not normally. So
yeah, yeah. That's true.
getting the right bias on a Monday is
Yeah,
it's all for nothing really.
pretty tough. Tuesday is much easier.
Yeah, I agree. You have something to work on.
Yes, definitely.
But still though, it's still I guess but we still have different biases though, so that's funny. But
Yeah, that
um
happens too often though.
no, I don't think it's ever happened like this though. This we're normally this similar, right?
Yeah,
Actually, yeah. No, not like this, I don't think. But looking at EURUSD, um, it's hit the daily BISI. The city, you remember this BISI I was hoping it would go
yes,
into?
yes.
I wanted it to go higher. It's done that, but you know me, I'm looking at DXY, and
Yeah,
if you're looking at
on DXY,
DXY,
I'm still bearish, but I wanted to retest. Got here, bro. Do you have no, that's not what it is. All right. Um, yeah, what I was saying is that I wanted to retest and then tap on this daily bullish fair value gap on dollar index. You get it?
say that again.
I want dollar index to retest at first, then mitigate that daily fair value gap bullish.
You want it to retest and then mitigate the daily bullish fair value gap.
Yes.
What does retest mean?
Retest is like going bullish and take out that ASIM range high and the fair value gap, bearish fair value gap above it, and then going for the daily bullish fair value gap, bearish.
Oh, okay, okay, I get you. That makes sense.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Uh,
okay.
that's why
I,
I'm
I get
actually
I get it.
bearish. Yeah. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay, we have hit the 10 fucking likes. Thanks everyone. Let's fucking do these candies. Oh, I think we have pizzas as well here. Oh, that's a candy. This is so stupid. All right. I think Banana would join me today. What's up, Kaduminati? You guys have a crazy name, bro. Like, this is so creative. Oh, did anyone quit from the channel? Oh, I mean, oh, Banana. Hello, yo, Banana. Yo, man, I can hear you. Hello, yo, bro. Jewish people hacked your mic. Fix it, bro. Fix that shit. I can't hear you. Uh, Hello, did you say anything?
Yeah, can you hear now?
Yes.
They even had my camera and everything. I couldn't even hear you.
Like I can hear you now. What I mean? Like you weren't audible before.
Yeah, you do the same thing. I was trying to speak, but I wasn't hearing anything, so I had to cancel it back and come back again.
Ah, I see. I think there is some issues with your mic.
Yeah, maybe.
Right. So,
Next week.
how are you today?
I'm good, I'm good.
I actually got fever last night, you know?
Yeah, you told me.
Yeah, that was fucking crazy.
Yeah, me too, the same thing. I was just there and I just had this fever that you know.
Mm,
So I had to just relax. And that was all.
right. Uh, I think today is Tuesday, so were you planning to place any trade?
Um, I was trying to teach someone something, so I just came to the school and I'm just waiting for it to like,
Oh,
let's see. Like today, I'm not trading.
all right, all right. I think tomorrow would be a good day to for like and buy for once or one kill.
Yeah, tomorrow might be a good. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me check and see if I can get.
CPI goes one direction, isn't it?
What?
CPI goes in one direction. It's not like FOMC or NFP, like sweeps the both side.
Yeah. It goes on one direction.
I think by tomorrow we would mitigate that 1 hour fair value gap on euro dollar that is made on the Sunday. And then from there we would go buy side. What do you think?
Let me look at the chart.
Yeah, look at the chart. Yo, guys, do not DM me for signals. I'm literally trading live in front of you. What's the point of signals? Drink fucking water. Stay hydrated.
Oh,
Yo, what's wrong with Euro GBP?
I gotta say, Swissy looks kind of nice, man. Damn.
USD CHF?
Yeah,
Oh.
I feel like there might be an explosion down lower.
Mm-hmm. USD CHF.
Like that
Yeah,
daily OB, the open,
yeah,
that daily order block looks like a good draw, man.
yeah. It's a continuation in the sell side. It's like,
Potentially, anyways, yeah.
yeah, it's too easy to predict one. The easiest one, like there's a liquidity void to fill out on the 1 hour. Same for 4 hour. Oh no, 4 hour has a lot of um chop here. Yeah, it's still can be sell side.
But it sweep the previous day low, so that usually means no trade. But I don't know.
No, it would drop more deeper in the discount.
Wait, Summit, what's your bias though? I'm getting confused with what you're aiming for. Are you looking for DXY shorts?
Wait, you have bias, right? But I have
I think
bias.
yes, why is strong.
I have bias plus narrative.
Wait, how about me? Do I have narrative as well or no?
You don't have a narrative. You just know the direction and you're looking for setup in that direction.
Nah, bro. I have narrative too, man.
What's your
Damn,
narrative
bro.
then? What's your narrative then?
Damn, bro. That's sad.
You fucking don't have a narrative, bro. I never seen you
Damn.
using it.
Wait, what? How do you know this, man?
You
Jeez.
never use it. What's the
I use it. Of course I use it.
okay? What's the narrative for the week?
I even told you yesterday in that summit, didn't I?
Tell me in templates like is it Tuesday low or Wednesday low or Wednesday continuation or what is it?
I don't look at it in that very magnified lens. I don't put much emphasis on it like that, but I keep it simple. Monday, Tuesday, I expect manipulation.
Okay.
And the rest of the week, especially if there's a red folder, I expect expansion.
Yeah.
And that's about it. I mean, I don't complicate it any more than that. So Monday, Tuesday, I'd expect it to manipulate, ideally. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'd expect to try catch the expansion.
Okay, now tell me, you expecting Monday and Tuesday to be manipulating, but in which side on dollar index?
I'm bullish on the dollar.
Like Monday and Tuesday?
No. On a weekly,
On a weekly.
I'm bullish on dollar. So I expect higher prices on dollar.
I too, but until it taps that daily favorable gap, that's what I'm saying, bro.
On the XY.
Yeah. Okay,
That's what I am saying. That's what we're saying now.
let me give you
This is what
let
I
me
said
give you
yesterday.
what I'm saying.
You said the other way.
No, let me tell you what I'm saying. Let me just draw it.
No. I already heard what you said. You can't
No.
change
It did
what you
not
said,
get it.
man.
It did not
That's
get it.
just
It did not
that's
definitely get
so
it.
true. My narrative was yesterday, and I had about 4 shorts open
Okay,
with it.
come on chat.
It's to short DXY to the daily VISI.
Come on the chat.
That's the narrative.
Come on the fucking chat.
Expect
Come on the fucking chat, bro.
Thursday expansion.
Yo,
That's what I
bro,
wanted to
come
do.
on the chat. I just shared my narrative.
Well, if you share, wait, is it from today or from yesterday?
It's from today.
Well, I'm talking from yesterday. What's this got to do with it?
You come here and see it.
No, I don't need to because this is today's. I'm telling you what I said yesterday. I had the narrative unbiased yesterday.
You were
It's consistent.
confused about my narrative.
Yesterday, not today. You heard mine yesterday, and you also saw PA today. So you maybe have a change of bias scenario.
No.
Mine was the same yesterday. So obviously I have a narrative. How dare you tell?
Just look at mine, bro. Like it's so fucking simple.
Well, it's simple now, but it wasn't yesterday because you didn't have it yesterday.
I did. What do you mean I didn't? I had the same fucking thing. I literally wanted Monday to be like Monday and
Bro, this is useless to me, man. It doesn't matter what it is. It's no problem. I don't care.
what I said to you yesterday.
It's not a big deal, man. It means no. It means
Obviously
nothing
it's
to me.
not a big deal, but obviously we can't talk about it.
Yeah, but it doesn't help anyone.
It does help you and I, like our own body.
No.
Yeah, bro. If it doesn't help, then what's the point of using it? What do you mean?
Me knowing what you thought yesterday doesn't impact my future, or does it impact yours? Right now,
Yeah,
what you're saying, we are on the same page.
That's true.
Good enough. That's all that matters.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't care about Summit yesterday. I care about what Summit says today, maybe. Even then, it's maybe. Because even if Summit disagrees or agrees, I'm still going to do what I'm going to do, right?
Yeah, that's true. That's you should do
Exactly.
anyway.
Exactly. Yeah, there you go.
Even if ICT says it, I'm not gonna follow it either.
And that's what he actually advises. So yeah, man. But
All right, so
but you wasn't saying this yesterday though. Do you know that or do you not know that?
What?
What I'm saying now, what you're saying now, you didn't say yesterday. Are you saying you did? I'm just curious because
I did.
mean,
What I said yesterday, I told you like I'm bearish on euro dollar, right? Throughout the Monday.
no.
Sorry,
Let's keep on Dixie. On Dixie.
on
Let's keep
Dixie
it
net
Dixie
bullish.
to keep it straight.
On
Was you expecting a retrace into the daily busy
I want.
yesterday, not today?
Yeah, yesterday I said that.
Was you?
Yeah, I told you.
Oh, okay. No
On the
worries.
buy side, it needs to go in the buy side, then the sell side. Then on the Wednesday, because of the news, it would go on the one direction, that is the buy side.
Then why was you looking for longs once the
Long.
short term liquidity was run on lows yesterday at 9:30?
I was short on euro dollar. Do you remember? Like I literally just shared that on analysis yesterday. If you check that, you would get it. Uh, yeah. Just look at that.
I showed you like UJ. Like I showed you the UJ charts.
Bro, UJ and those.
Shall I show you my screen real quick? Why I'm saying what I'm saying? Because I remember this pretty clearly. Again, it doesn't matter, but I mean,
Yeah, but
I find it a bit weird. I'll be honest.
the audience get entertained, and that's why.
There you go.
Yeah. All right, say.
Wait, quickly look at my charts real quick.
Yeah.
Are you looking at them?
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
So I know yesterday there were equal lows that I said, listen, these equal lows are too equal, and yeah, these need to get run.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully, because then it will match my bias,
Mm-hmm.
my narrative, as you like to call it, of something like this.
Mm-hmm. Get it.
And obviously, I also said the same for DXY. I expect it to come down.
Uh-huh.
That's what I said.
Now,
You, on the other hand, was saying to me yesterday that actually on USD JPY, if you used to look at USD JPY, if it comes down into here, that's not good because we want to have this consolidation. Let me show you. Where is it? You said
that one,
this
yeah,
consolidation here is
has to be
what's it called? It's
support as a
It's
supply.
kind of is a mitigation here. Da, 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 da.
Yeah.
Bullish.
Yeah.
And yeah, you said essentially if it comes down here, it's actually kind of strange. It might be even invalidated, which I understand, but yeah, I disagreed at the time. And for DXY, or let's look at EU. For EU, what you said was essentially, let's go on to 5 minutes. Here, so you was actually targeting. Obviously, you wanted it shorter. You wanted it to go shorter.
Yeah.
I mean, to sell side. At this point here, I think you said Euro GBP became weak. It became stronger.
Yeah.
Too strong. So Euro became strong, so you couldn't take a short. So you missed it.
Yes.
And you said, nah, it's not good enough.
Yeah.
You wanted it to sort of tap turtle soup a lot short, but instead it went all the way up here and then lower.
Yeah.
I think for it's not going to go lower. It shouldn't go lower. We should at least see this, is what I was hoping for. At the minimum. And that's what happened. And I remember this very clearly because I listened very carefully to what people say. I care about your outlooks. And yeah, that was what actually happened. Do you agree or do you disagree with what I just said?
Okay, I got it. What you got for yourself, but
yeah, I I also think that come Wednesday, Thursday, when there's actual news, we're gonna get the
Yeah, look at my
direction
screen.
of expansion. Let's call it.
Look at my stream. Are you looking at it?
Are you? I mean, it's not on Discord. Do I have to go on YouTube?
No, it's on Discord. Just check it.
Nah, it's not open. It's not open.
Why?
Banana, is it open for you?
Oh, it's saying go live. Well, why is it? Just a minute. Let me do it one more time. Yeah. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
All right. I was saying that I'm bearish on Eurodollar, right? Bearish on Eurodollar. Hello.
I can hear you.
Yeah, I was saying that I'm bearish through the Monday to Tuesday. I want
Just
it.
to clarify, are you saying that? Are you gonna say something different to what I said, or do you agree with what I said?
I agree, but not
Before you explain what
completely.
you're gonna explain.
Yeah, agree, but not completely.
Okay. All right. Continue.
So narrative can be different. Bias could be same, but narrative could be different, you know. So what I was expecting that manipulate in the sell side throughout the Monday and Tuesday, right? Same thing, bullish on dollar index. So I wanted to tap it, mitigate it, take out this thing, and then drop to this one by Wednesday. And there on the news time, it would go in the buy side. That's what I'm actually expecting. It's still not mitigated yet. I want it to mitigate it, then go in the buy side. Get it?
I see.
Yeah. I'm bullish
I
as
mean,
well.
this is obviously new to me. This isn't what I remember from yesterday, but I get what you're saying.
I was bearish. I told you like I'm bearish on Monday and Tuesday. How long have you traded ICT? Traded ICT like two and a half years, yeah. Oh, that's what it is actually. We both wanted to manipulate, but yeah, that's the thing. Okay, it's go to
My
the
bias is actually changing here. I'm starting to think
why?
if the XY runs the high, we might even just see the continuation now.
So do you think ICT is a top of all those out there? That question doesn't make any sense. Strategy is like a gun and it depends on who is using it. You can have a AK-47 and get knocked out by one bullet with a pistol. So it really doesn't matter. You can trade with anything. Yeah, what I was saying, yeah. It's going bearish, right? To take out that Asian session low. But I did not got my setup. There was a CRT based setup, but this was like too big for the stop. I hope you guys remember when I was saying it in the beginning of the stream. It weak the main threshold. Mm-hmm. Sagnar, hello.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, I think your buy setup would appear after it mitigate or take out that Asian low.
So I'm actually changing my bias now. I don't have that same outlook if we go above this high. I'm gonna have to see carefully because we're now in this changes everything how price, if price respects the highs or doesn't on DXY.
Isn't it like it take out that external liquidity, now it need to take the internal liquidity?
I'm actually under the assumption that this might be the low of the week for DXY and the high of the week for EURUSD potentially.
Yes.
That's what I'm starting to think because it all depends on how it acts here. DXY might not go down into the discount this daily BISI. I'm starting to think it might reverse here now.
Oh no, it would,
Potentially.
it would mitigate that.
You think so?
Yeah,
Oh,
it has to, bro.
yeah, I don't know, but look at it. Look at the hourly though. It's
Yeah,
would have been. Why is it going so high?
it would go and tap that week like weekly opening gap, you know, if you have marked that opening gap.
I've got today's daily opening gap.
That
The
week,
weekly
yeah.
one, I don't think I have.
Mark that recent weekly opening gap. It would retest on that, then mitigate that bullish fair value gap and go in the buy side.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Go in the buy side, so you're looking at EU.
No, a dollar index, I'm telling you, on dollar index that it would, now it's going bullish, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it would going bullish because of that opening gap and also that Asian high left below that 1 hour CB, right? It would tap there, then go in the sell side by tomorrow, right? Mitigate that daily bullish fair value gap. Then on the CPI,
Okay.
then on the CPI, after CPI, or maybe from the next week, it would start going for the buy side, like continuation on the of the trend.
Yeah, that's what I originally thought. Yeah. That makes sense.
Yeah.
That's what I thought beginning of the week, but we'll see. I guess we'll just see. But right now, it looks now like it's about to reverse. Hopefully, it stays this way.
It did not. It did not have that bullish fair value gap, so it has to mitigate that fair value gap at least. Because we have,
I meant it's in reverse on the 5 minute.
yeah, I see what you mean, but it would not be a reverse for the whole week. It has to mitigate that bullish fair value gap because we have taken out the high, 60-day high on the daily time frame. If the data range.
Wait, just to clarify, I mean reverse here. This part here. Not down.
What you mean?
Do you see my screen?
Wait. Wait. This is a reverse, like you want it to go sell side from there?
Yeah, to the daily. Basically, you mentioned it.
Yeah, but I want the same thing, but it has to take out, like for me, it has to take out that high, yeah, Asian high.
I mean, personally, I don't want that, man. I don't like it.
Why?
I don't like the idea because it's already moved down, and why is it coming all the way back up is a bit annoying.
Because it take out that external liquidity.
Because there's a gap here, right? Look at this gap, nice and beautiful.
but we have a weekly opening gap as well.
Look, the weekly opening gap isn't really there because on the daily, it's a bit funny. It doesn't show it for whatever reason. Close is 8:55. Open is 8:55. It exists over here, but it's a bit of a weird. But you're talking about this one, right? This
Yeah,
image here?
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about that. It's a bit of a funny one, but uh, yeah, it's a bit funny in that sense. I mean, so far it looks like it's respecting it slightly. I just want to see it close lower.
What
This
is
this 1 minute sim big as respected, and then we absolutely sell to equilibrium.
I think we missed the setup. Like there wasn't any good setup. The CRT base was there, but I'm really not convinced to take that 16 pip stop, bro. This has to run on this high. So what the hell is this doing? What's your bias for today on Euro GBP?
I haven't even looked at that, you know. I haven't been looking at this in a while.
Mm-hmm.
I hate this pair. This pair is so confusing. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes up here.
Where? Above the Asian high?
Yeah, above that.
Yeah. There was many reason cause it has taken out that external liquidity, mitigated that bearish fair value gap on euro dollar, and there is Asian session liquidity left. Many reasons to do that.
Yeah, and you know what? I'll even catch an entry on Euro GBP just for the fun.
Trading is still fun for you.
It wouldn't be something I do if it wasn't. No, I know you find it fun as well, man. You're just trying to act edgy.
Act what?
Edgy.
Edgy. No. So you think I act
Like,
edgy?
I
I get
find
it.
fun, but actually you do.
I literally take fun of everything. Uh, I had my setup on GBP, but the stop was too wide to take it.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like we're reversing that so far, which is good, but hopefully actually continues from here.
I don't think so. I think we are just retracing.
Yeah. But if it does reverse from here, I'll actually enter off of that FVG.
Mm, Let's see.
Hopefully it does.
It has to go in the premium before it does.
You know your expectations though. If it reaches obviously to the Asian highs, would you then expect it then to also reach the daily VISI?
Today, not today, but
Today?
not today, no. That would be a lot, bro. Like without any news.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. But you just maybe expect it to close maybe around here, like somewhere in the middle.
Yeah,
Sweeping
like
the Asian highs.
we can have a retracement setup, which is a silver bullet. But not a complete run towards that busy. That might happen throughout the overnight, CBDR, ASIM range, or maybe tomorrow's London.
Yeah, yeah, makes sense, makes sense. But yeah, personally, you see this FEG here.
I'm not looking at your chart.
You don't need to. The hourly Dixie imbalance at 1 a.m. on the hourly.
Hourly, what time?
1 a.m. Dixie. That's the imbalance that's I'd
Okay.
expect to be held, like to be respected.
Yeah, it could be. That's also the opening gap. Weekly opening gap. Like it's what is it called? Blending
It's
waste.
a bit lower than that though. It's a bit low.
No, that opening gap, bro. Like it's blending with that FVG.
Barely.
That doesn't matter. It still respects.
It doesn't touch the opening. I don't want it to touch that. I don't want it to get near that. I want it to go like
Just take out that.
below the central encroachment of the civvy. So this gap is like in the 95th percentile of the civvy.
I get what
You
you
don't want it to
mean.
go anywhere near that.
I get what you mean, but I'm saying, yeah, what you're saying could be expected that FVG because of that blending with that opening gap. That's why.
Okay. Overlapping PD arrays, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
What I hate about the opening gap is how it's not even visible on the daily.
That might be some technical error of the broker.
Let me try to see another Dix. Yeah, it is. I think yes, it's there on every single other one.
Yes. It like happens.
Yeah, I guess it does. That's just the way it is.
I think you can sell from that on euro dollar. I think you can sell from that 8M CV. That would be a good retracement. Let me check it. Mm, yeah, sure, yeah.
Yeah, these two are the ones that stand out to me though.
Hello,
I mean, the
Dr.
one at
Welcome to the stream.
755 and the one at 655.
What?
The CB's at 755 and 655.
I'm saying the 8 a.m.
Nah, that's no good. It doesn't meet the requirements.
But it would just retrace there and continue in the sell side.
Oh, okay, right. I forgot. You're looking for the Asian lows. So you're looking for shorts here, is it? Is
Yes,
that what you mean?
yes, yes.
Yeah, I don't know.
What's your usual stop? Like average? Oh, Sagnar, I'm asking you. Hello, Sagnar. Yo, why are you guys mute? Yeah, possibly to retrace to this one. And that can be and sell. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome to the stream. Africa, right? Beans never broke even. Watching all the way from South Africa. You're welcome. Yo,
I'm
banana.
back.
Oh, welcome back. Yo, banana, I have your friend on
Yes.
the chat.
Huh?
Uh, I have a African friend of banana from Africa.
Nice. More market makers from Ghana. That's what we
Yeah.
need.
We are having more market makers on the stream.
Yes.
Yo, Euro is getting stronger. Why is not retracing to that FVG? It's literally about to sweep that highs. What's your approach on EU? My approach is bearish, but right now my approach is just stay outside because I already missed the price. Well, obviously that wasn't my setup. Definitely sell, bro. Like it's definitely sell. You see this drawing, it's literally sell. Like, yeah, I did not sweep that high, but Euro GBP did. Yes, true. Daily FVG. Just to retrace, bro, retrace. Oh, I need to calculate the risk there. But like 5 pips would be good.
You don't control the market. You are saying to retrace.
Oh, what you say?
You don't control the market, and you are saying it should retrace.
Yo, bro.
I am the one controlling the market.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let's
Yes,
network. You have Instagram? Yes, I do have Instagram. Check out the link. I pinned it on the chat. Like, yo, banana, who's the price higher?
Yeah.
And let me in.
It's not your time. It's not your time.
Buy euro. Buy
Wait.
euro.
Tomorrow.
What do you tomorrow?
Yeah.
I need your market maker power, bro.
That's what. I'm not trading today. That's why I can't push the market.
Oh, I see. I see.
Money. So let me trade tomorrow.
I would have 100% win rate then tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow will be when it will start reversing. Or tomorrow or Thursday.
Wow, I have to say USD CAD has moved so well compared to the rest. And I was actually
Yeah, because of the oil. You know the oil is also spiking, so it becomes so.
And is the oil related to CAD
Or
or USD
Yeah.
as well?
Yeah, it's related to Canadian dollar.
Yeah,
Really?
yeah, USD
Oil
CAD is
becomes
related to
strong.
CAD. Like
Canadian dollar becomes very strong. So
oil and
it's right.
oil and CAD is related. Gold and AUD is related.
I didn't know
That
that.
was why I was trading oil, classic oil, Canadian USD card during the war.
Mm. How long I've been trading? I've been trading like 3 years, more than 3 years. Retrace, retrace.
But wow, 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 wow. That's all I could say.
What? What you can say?
I'm just looking at how USD CAD traded,
Mm-hmm.
and I was really looking at it this morning, and it's hit my entry points very well, but I didn't take the trades.
All right.
Because I ain't confident with foreign currency pairs other than EU.
Same, bro. Like you,
Just have to experiment.
even GBP is more than enough for day trading, unless you're trading like higher time frame swings or one shot one kill. You really don't need much pairs.
Yeah, you make a good point. You said it very well. For day trading, this offers a lot.
Because we really
One
don't
pair, two pairs enough.
yeah, we don't lack setups. They do, like
Yeah, there's too many.
yeah. People who trade higher time frame, they lack setups.
But you know what? I want to share something with you. It's something I was thinking about.
Oh,
It's logical as well, and yeah, it's logical, very logical.
all right, go ahead.
So let me share the screen. Could you? Is it sharing?
Wait a moment. Yes.
Yeah, you see it.
Yeah.
So we need to get one thing straight. We all know that price, if it has withdrawn liquidity like this, the daily BSI,
Mm-hmm.
all it's going to do is rebalance, displace, rebalance, displace. We know that, right? Rebalance, displace, rebalance, displace until the draw. Yeah?
Yeah.
That makes sense, right? We agree with that?
Yes.
So, having said that, on Dixie, as you can see, this is midnight open. It opens, it runs lower. Big displacement lower, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm now trying to get short in Dixie, but I know that we are very in a discount. Very much in a discount. And I'd want it to get rebalanced into the 50 level.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Premium array to catch a reversal. That's how I trade, okay?
Mm-hmm.
But, if you look at EU, it's very similar. The PA is just reversed. If you go to CAD, I want you to look at 4 a.m. This is 4 a.m., right? This is where the retracement is happening.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the retracement is going to go like this, and then this, ideally, if we are correct.
Yeah.
At 4 a.m., look at 4 a.m. Look at how it looks on Dixie. On 4 a.m. on USD CAD, look at what it does. It's already hit the premium.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
It's done it on at 4.
Mm-hmm.
Dixie, on the other hand, reaches it at 6, so that's 2 hours. And it's still going higher. USD CAD, though, it hits it at 4, and the rest is just, well, it's just expanding lower. So, invalidation for me comes by way of this high getting run out. And if I see like USD CAD or maybe Swissy, if it retraces early before Dixie,
Mm-hmm.
I could probably start framing confidently shorts from 4 a.m. And it did offer some nice setups lower. So I'm kind of I'm gonna really study that because even though at 4 a.m. Dixie is in a deep discount,
Mm-hmm.
USD CAD is in a premium,
Mm-hmm.
and it's hit an array, a bearish array, a good array. So I could easily just frame shorts here. I don't need to wait for EU, because look, where my entry formed, and I'm sure maybe you could maybe catch an entry in this as well, is at 4 a.m. is the reversal.
Mm-hmm.
This is the reversal, and then this is the low risk buy. So that's like an OT basically, like this. That's 4 a.m. 4 a.m. and 5 a.m. If you go on Euro, it's a mess compared to USD CAD. Shorts at 6 a.m., reversal at 4:50. This is what Euro USD looks like, and it's not as good. There's nowhere near. So I don't know. I'm gonna start really studying this, see how it looks, because yeah, I'm gonna see specifically what I'm saying is I'm gonna start looking at, if let's say a foreign currency like USD CAD, if it hits premium a lot quicker than Dixie, I'm not gonna be worried. I'm gonna really study it and maybe even catch a trade on it. Because it just means that it's gonna start displacing sooner if it retraces quicker.
Now it depends on how correlated the pair is.
Yeah, I suppose, but with USD CAD, USD Swissy, they're not very correlated. That's about all I know.
If it's less than 60%, then I think you may even lose sometimes because of that.
Yeah, but 60% is a very specific number. How do you check?
You can search it on Google.
I might check that out. I've never really thought of that. But yeah, that's just something I figured out.
Or just check the daily time frame, like see it, how correlatedly moves it.
Because one thing I want to even emphasize on, right?
Mm-hmm.
One thing I want to add on to that. Are you still looking at the chart on my screen?
Yes, I'm watching your chart, my chart, both.
Oh, do you have them open up all at once?
No, not all at once, but yeah, I'm looking at time.
Okay, no worries. But I want to add also, what aids this analysis is, you see this high
Mm-hmm.
and this low?
Mm-hmm.
That's the dealing range. Everything above this for me is irrelevant. Obviously, I understand you are looking at analysis a bit differently, but for the way I'm engaging, let's assume this is the dealing range. I don't expect this to get hit. So as long as the draw is down here. So I'm now thinking this is the dealing range. Whoever goes in here quicker is going to offer me my trade sooner.
Mm-hmm.
And if you was to look at EU, it's the same as DXY, but with obviously this one, it shoots in really fast at 4. And yeah, now we're in that position where, I can anticipate trades. And that's at 5 a.m., 4 or 5 a.m., end of 4 at the beginning of 5. And this displacement here, I would actually enter here potentially
Right.
because it closes outside of it. I could enter here, go lower, or something like that. Um, but yeah, because this is the range. This is the leading range for me. I'm throughout the morning. I was not expecting this to be taken. If we was to look at EU, 4 a.m. At 5 a.m., USD CAD was already here. The EU is only here now at the discount at 6 a.m. So it's very late. And not only is it late, it's not even expanding or carrying on. It's coming right back down again.
I think I'm about to get an entry.
Yeah, your shorts are
Possibly dollar is sorry, possibly euro is strong. I think I should sort GBPUSD. Yeah, let's do it on GBPUSD. All right. Are you setting limit order or you are waiting for confirmation? No, I'm not waiting for confirmation. I just set my limit order and let's see if we get to that level. I'm selling. If not, then what we can do? I could have sold here, but euro is much stronger. It has to run on these highs. All right. I have to check if I got filled or not. Damn, it's that close, bro. Like, holy fuck. I did not get filled. Let's see. It was so fucking close, bro. What? Did you guys enter on it? Did you guys enter on it? I didn't.
Sumit, can I ask you a favor?
Sure.
Could you please show me your Vivaldi setup? I want to check something on it because I might download it.
Oh. What do you mean by setup?
You know the split screen feature you have? Are you using it? If you're not using it, then you could show me later once you're done trading. But I want to check how it looks. For one thing.
For one thing, like I already like shared multiple screenshots. It looks good.
Oh, did you? Where is it? Because I want to know if it's all, is it different windows or is it all in one window? That's what I'm going to check.
What do you mean by different window?
So
I have a one.
you know how you can open new windows or you can open new tabs?
Yeah, I can open new tabs.
I want all the tabs to be split screen, not a new window with split screen. Is that how it is on Vivaldi?
Yeah, it's a tab split screen.
Yeah, perfect. That's what I need. I'm going to download it. You said you sent screenshots. Is it on the chat? Like the on Discord on the chat section?
Yeah, I have seen it. Like not on the tab, but
I forgot it. I don't remember. That's why I want to check again.
yeah, go on the analysis.
Oh, it's on the analysis section. Okay. February 18th. No way. Yeah, I just seen it. Yeah, this sounds pretty good. This is exactly what it was I was hoping it would be.
Yes.
I'm gonna download it right now.
All right, I got filled.
Vivaldi browser. I can't wait.
It's too deep in the premium euro dollar. I didn't want it to retrace that much. It needs to do a really quick delivery. We want displacement candles. Yo, Banana, what do you mean by seeing new views? Oh, you mean that you're sharing my stream.
I shared you link to others.
I
I
see.
had I have a chat that have this doing this. I just said that's why you are seeing.
Yeah, I
You are
see.
not really.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So those are your friends. You know them.
No. I also started my own channel. Yes, my own Discord storage. I told you that I was doing this project.
Oh, I see. I see. I see.
I just shared in case they want to also learn Forex. I just come.
Mm, makes sense. I didn't drink much water today. Oops. We want more big candles. What the hell?
Yo, this browser keeps on crashing. What the heck?
Is it?
Yeah, I can't even log into TradingView, man.
Oh,
Wow.
what device you were using?
On laptop.
Or what model? Like what brand or something?
Asus ZenBook.
Is it like it has a strong processor? Like, is it for gaming?
Not
Good for
sure. I think
gaming?
it's okay. It should be okay for browsing.
Yeah. Like it's like I never got crash on MacBook though. Yeah, it's definitely a quite heavy.
Log in to TradingView, it crashes every time I log in.
Oh, it's quite heavier than a Chrome browser, but it does not crash for me.
Yeah, I think my laptop's kind of getting old. That might be why.
Maybe. All right, I'm coming back in a minute. I need to go washroom.
Okay.
All right. All right. It should not close above the last candle body though.
Some how do you play? How do you set up the would you press to make a split screen?
uh I think you should use Alt and use the right click of the mouse. Why you sold GU there? Telling you in a minute. Yeah, use Alt and right click of the mouse. It's different for my MacBook.
Yeah, I don't know. That's not where. What do I do? Where do I click that? What is that? Where do I do that?
On the tabs,
And
is it selecting?
yeah, but I don't see anything that allows split screen.
No, you have to click the split button as well in the right in the down. Page stealing, it's called page stealing. Get it?
Nope, I haven't got it yet.
Then try sharing your screen
That
so that you see
this
what you
can you see options in the downside of the right?
Yeah, just tell me. I've shared my screen. You could just show me what I click.
Okay, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, yeah. Like that's on the going the downside, right downside. No, not that one. Yes, that one.
Page telling.
Yes. Yeah.
And how do I add another one?
Just add there another tab. Add another tab. Right. Right. Now select the tabs. Like click on the like Alt or maybe Control or maybe the Windows button. I don't know. Try it by yourself. Cause your laptop is.
As in place them all in a group.
Yeah. No, not like that, bro. Not like that. Not like that. Don't do it.
Okay, if not like that, then like what?
You have to select it with your mouse click. But use any button like for me it's command and then clicking on those tabs.
You're not asking me to group it. You're just you want me to do what with them?
I want you to click Alt or maybe Control and click it. Press Alt and click that. Then press Control. Yeah. Whatever you did the same with the other two. Yes.
Okay.
Now tap on the split below. Yeah, now did it tile to grid.
Okay.
My network is slow.
Thank you.
Did it happen? Did it happen? Actually,
Yes, it happened. Join for free. What is the bullshit?
you get it right.
Yeah, should be good now. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. All right. What time is it? 7:55. If it doesn't respect this FVG, then we are cooked for the day. Yeah. It's still like we have this all the range. Let's draw the quadrant on it. This one is spending a lot of time. It should have delivered till now. Should literally run on the highs. Let's see the candle close.
Holy fucking shit, I missed my setup, bro, because I'm out here setting this up. Oh my god.
Where was your setup? I did not notice as well. Like,
The FVGs I had highlighted, but it's no problem.
which
Get to now even, potentially.
mm, it's still close inside that 50% CE.
Fuck's sake, I can't believe I missed. I completely lost track of time. Completely.
We are weak.
I can't believe this.
What was his
What
setup,
is
bro?
going on with this world? What is going on with the world?
We are weak today. What is this? Oh, what the fuck is it saying? All right, all right. Let me check if I really got out or not yet. Yes, I did. Okay, we lost the first trade of the week. What's the time? It's okay. I don't think we would have any more setup. Uh, Possibly I would not be trading tomorrow. I have a hearing with my lawyer, so maybe late on the kill zone. But let's see. Even if it's goes in the sell side, I would not chase it. Okay, so let it do what it does. We lost it. All right, I'm closing the stream. That's all. I see you fucking maybe not tomorrow, but on Thursday, possibly.